Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Owning a home is a dream for many. It's a place of comfort and security. But did you know there are ways to protect your home even further? One way is by placing your home within an LLC. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a legal structure. It can offer protection for your personal assets. This includes your home. In this essay, we'll explore LLCs in detail. We'll look at the benefits and drawbacks. We'll also examine if using an LLC for your primary residence is right for you. Let's dive in and empower you to make informed decisions about your most valuable asset, your home. LLCs, or limited liability companies, are incredibly popular with business owners for a variety of reasons. They offer flexibility, tax benefits, and most importantly, protection. But did you know that LLCs can also be used to protect personal assets? Yes, they are not just for businesses. An LLC creates a separate legal entity, which means it stands apart from you as an individual. Think of it as a shield that stands between your personal assets and any potential liabilities that may arise from your business or other ventures. When you own a property in your name, you are personally liable for any debts or legal issues that may come up. This means that any debts or lawsuits can directly impact your personal assets, including your home, savings, and other valuable possessions. By placing your property or other assets into an LLC, you add a significant layer of protection. If someone decides to sue you, they are typically only able to go after the assets owned by the LLC, not your personal belongings. This means your personal assets, like your home and savings, are usually protected from business-related liabilities. However, it's important to remember that LLCs come with their own set of complexities and legal requirements. It's crucial to consult with legal and financial professionals to ensure that you are setting up and managing your LLC correctly. They can provide you with tailored advice and help you navigate the specifics, ensuring that your assets are well protected and your LLC is compliant with all regulations. Let's look at an example. Imagine you trip and fall at your home. A guest is injured, they decide to sue you. If your home is in your name, they could go after your personal assets. This includes your savings, investments, and even your future earnings. But if your home is owned by an LLC, the lawsuit would typically be limited to the LLC's assets. This could protect your personal belongings from being seized. However, LLC protection is not foolproof. Certain situations, like illegal activities or personal guarantees on loans, can pierce the LLC veil. Always consult with an attorney to understand the limitations of LLC protection in your specific situation. LLCs can offer tax advantages, but it's not always straightforward. One potential benefit is the flexibility in how your LLC is taxed. LLCs can be taxed as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. This allows you to choose the structure that minimizes your tax liability. Additionally, owning your home within an LLC might open up opportunities for deducting expenses related to the property. This can include mortgage interest, property taxes, and even utilities. However, tax laws are complex and vary by location. It's crucial to consult with a tax professional. They can help you determine the best approach for your situation. Section 5. Privacy matters. Keeping ownership discreet. In some states, owning your home through an LLC can provide an extra layer of privacy. When you purchase a property in your name, the records are public. Anyone can easily find out your name and address associated with the property. But if you use an LLC, the LLC's name appears on public records instead of your own. This can be beneficial if you're concerned about privacy or want to keep your homeownership discreet. However, it's essential to remember that privacy laws differ by state. It's crucial to research the specific regulations in your area. Section 6. The cost factor. Setting up and maintaining your LLC. While LLCs offer potential benefits, it's important to consider the costs involved. Setting up an LLC requires filing paperwork with your state. There are also ongoing fees to maintain the LLC's active status. These fees vary by state and can range from a few $100s to over $1,000 annually. It's crucial to factor in these costs when deciding if an LLC is the right choice. You should weigh the potential benefits against the financial implications. Section 7. Navigating complexity, paperwork, and compliance. LLCs come with paperwork and compliance requirements. You'll need to maintain separate records for the LLC, including financial statements and meeting minutes. Failing to comply with these requirements can lead to penalties and jeopardize the LLC's legal standing. This can be time-consuming and require organizational skills. If you're not comfortable with paperwork or deadlines, an LLC might not be the best fit. It's crucial to understand the ongoing responsibilities before making a decision. Consider if you're willing to invest the time and effort required. Section 8. Legal implications. Understanding the fine print. LLCs have specific legal requirements. You'll need to understand the laws in your state. It's essential to operate the LLC separately from your personal affairs. For example, you'll need a separate bank account for the LLC. You'll also need to avoid using personal funds for LLC expenses. Mixing personal and LLC finances can pierce the corporate veil. This means you could lose the liability protection the LLC provides. Seeking legal counsel is crucial. An attorney can guide you through the intricacies of LLC formation and compliance. Section 9. Creating your LLC, a step-by-step guide. In this section, we will break down the process into manageable steps to help you establish your LLC with ease. Now that we've covered the basics, let's walk through the steps to create an LLC for your primary residence. First, choose a name for your LLC. Select a unique name that complies with your state's requirements for LLC names. Make sure the name is not already in use and reflects your business identity. Second, file the Articles of Organization. This is a crucial step in legally forming your LLC. File this document with your state's Secretary of State office. The Articles of Organization outline essential details about your LLC. It includes information such as the LLC's purpose, duration, and management structure. Third, create an operating agreement. This document is vital for defining the roles and responsibilities within your LLC. The operating agreement outlines the LLC's ownership and management structure. It helps prevent misunderstandings among members. Fourth, obtain an Employer Identification Number (EIN) from the IRS. This is your LLC's tax identification number and is necessary for tax purposes. Fifth, transfer the property title. This involves transferring the title of your home from your name to the LLC's name, ensuring the property is legally owned by the LLC. Remember, these are just general steps. Each state may have specific requirements and additional steps. The process varies by state, so it's important to research the specific requirements for your location. Always consult with professionals such as lawyers or accountants to ensure you meet all legal requirements and to get personalized advice for your situation. This will help you avoid potential pitfalls and ensure your LLC is set up correctly. Section 10. Common questions. Addressing your concerns. In this section, we aim to address some of the most frequently asked questions that homeowners and potential buyers have when dealing with mortgages and LLCs. One common question is, can I get a mortgage if my home is in an LLC? This is a concern for many who choose to hold their property in a limited liability company for various reasons, including liability protection and potential tax benefits. The answer is yes, but it can be more challenging. Lenders often have stricter criteria when it comes to lending to LLCs compared to individual borrowers. Some lenders are hesitant to lend to LLCs because they perceive them as higher risk. This can make the process more complicated and time-consuming. You might face higher interest rates or stricter requirements. This means you may need to provide more documentation or meet higher credit standards to secure the loan. Another common question is, will I still get the homeowner's insurance tax deduction? This is an important consideration for many homeowners looking to maximize their tax benefits. This depends on your specific situation and tax laws. The tax implications can vary based on how the LLC is structured and how the property is used. Consult with a tax professional for guidance. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique circumstances and help you navigate the complexities of tax laws. What happens if I sell my home that's owned by an LLC? This is a crucial question for those considering selling their property. The sale proceeds would go to the LLC. This means that the money from the sale is first received by the LLC, not directly by you as an individual. You can then distribute the profits to yourself according to the LLC's operating agreement. This agreement outlines how profits are to be shared among the members of the LLC. Remember, these are just a few common questions. There are many other aspects to consider when dealing with property and LLCs. It's crucial to address any concerns you have with qualified professionals. They can provide the expertise and guidance needed to make informed decisions. Section 11. Conclusion: making the right choice for you. Deciding whether to place your primary residence in an LLC is a significant decision. It offers potential benefits like asset protection, tax advantages, and privacy. However, it's crucial to weigh these benefits against the costs, complexity, and legal implications. LLCs are not a one-size-fits-all solution. Before making a decision, consult with legal, financial, and tax professionals. They can help you assess your individual circumstances and make an informed choice. Remember, protecting your home is about more than just bricks and mortar. It's about securing your financial future and peace of mind.